Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Try to Learn. In this video, we will learn and write name of districts of the state Chhattisgarh in English. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, and for more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel Try to Learn. Chhattisgarh is a landlocked state in central India. It borders 7 states: Uttar Pradesh to the north, Madhya Pradesh to the northwest, Maharashtra to the southwest, Jharkhand to the northeast, Odisha to the east, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana to the south. Formerly a part of Madhya Pradesh, it was granted statehood in 1st November 2000 with Raipur as the designated state capital. Currently, Chhattisgarh has a total of 33 districts. Let's start learning their name one by one. First district is Balod. Next district is Baloda Bajar. Next is Balrampur. Next district is Bastar. Next is Bemetara. Next district is Bijapur. Next district is Bilaspur. Next district is Dantewada. Next is Dhamtari. Next district is Durg. Next is Garyaband. Next district is Gorela, Pendra, Marwahi district. Next district is Janjgir Champa district. Next district is Jashpur district. Next district is Kabirdham. Next district is Kanker. Next is Kondagaon. Next district is Khairagarh, Chui Khadan, Gandai district. Next district is Korba district. Next is Korea. Next district is Mahasamund district. Next is Manendragarh, Chirmeri, Bharatpur district. Next is Mohalla Manpur, Ambagarh Chowki District. Next district is Mungeli District. Next is Narayanpur District. Next district is Raigad. Next is Raipur. Next district is Rajnandgaon. Next district is Sarangarh, Bilaigarh District. Next is Sakti District. Thirty-first district is Sukma. Next is Surajpur. 33rd district of Chhattisgarh is Sarguja.